Quick room tour for $23.94 on the Carnival Venezia. First out right at the gate, you got your card slot and make sure that your lights are on. Put that in there to be able to turn the lights on. Cove Balcony. Straight to that for you. This is the morning after embarkation. So we've already been in the room for a little bit, but Cove Balcony, you can see decent little bit amount of space. Nice view. You have the lifeboats right above you. Chin down. So this side of the bed has USBs. This side of the bed does not. Light control switch for the whole entire room right there while you're in bed. I think this is a sleeper couch. Regular desk, hair dryer inside, cooler inside there. 1, 2, 3 shelves. Nice mirror. That's all right. And then all our trash. You've got 220 USBs. You've got two 120s. And you've got a 230, and that is it. Safe and life jackets, couple shelves, 3 drawers. And there's the shelf or rod across the top. There's a shelf back there that I've got put up. Another rod on the bottom. Spots for your shoes on the bottom. Other same thing in this one. This one does not have any shelves. It is just rod all the way down. Bathroom is quite different than a normal Carnival ship. It's got a glass door, regular old same old everything here. Hole there to open the door. Opens out. Plenty of room to get in and out. This is where the difference is. So you have 3 shelves there, but look at this sink. Completely different sink than what are in most normal Carnival. And you see this gold line mirror again in here, like you have out in the room itself. And then you have another 1, 2, 3 shelves there. So then there's some storage area underneath the sink. Overall, decent stay. Make sure that you request something for the bed. The bed was super hard to sleep on last night. We've requested that they bring some sort of eggshell or extra duvets or something for the softness. And you got a little 36-inch, 42-inch TV there. So for the most part, that's it. That's your room tour for $23.94 on the Carnival Venezia. Thanks for watching.